Can you guys all see this blank white page on the screen now? There you go, Shane. Good job. Okay. All right. If we can buy a $1.50 wide put spread for 40 cents, what is the reward to risk? Well, if it's $1.50, that's the max value, and we pay 40 cents, then our max reward is $1.10. Our max risk is what we paid for the spread, 40 cents. So if we just take a simple ratio of $1.10 divided by 40, we get 2.75 to 1. That's right in our sweet spot. Todd, you don't see me typing in on the screen? This is a different kind of whiteboard I'm using rather than, what do you see on your screen, Todd? Does everybody else see me typing in here? Or no?